Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Android 6.0 Marshmallow using TWRP fail-proof method. Alright, with Marshmallow, what I've realized is that sometimes no matter what kind of G apps you use, sometimes you'll end up in this forced close, basically Play Store forced closing. You install it, basically pulling your hair out, or maybe you have no more hair. Alright, so I figured out a way, a fail-proof method that will install Android 6.0 custom ROMs every time. So it actually doesn't matter which G apps you use, it's how you install it. Basically the process involves wiping after you install both the ROM and the G app. So here, let me go ahead and walk you through. This will be the same on any type of phone, and I've got it tried on the Note 4, 6P, all kind of different ROMs. So this is a fail-proof method. If you're having trouble, I'll show you how to do it. So first thing you'll need, obviously, is your ROM file. So for this particular example, I'm going to install Resurrection Remix ROM for the LG G3 I've got here. For G apps, I do recommend the one I have on my site, the Banks Dynamic G apps. You can actually use any G apps, but if you want to use the one I use this old one from last year, but it works flawless. And since Play Store automatic updates, that's all you really need. All right, so make sure you have the ROM file and the G apps. All right, this is for all the AOSP ROMs, by the way. And what you're gonna do, go to wipe, go to advanced wipe, and go ahead and wipe system. You can also wipe Dalvik cache and cache if you want to. I don't find it completely necessary. All right, just wipe system, okay? Just like any other ROM. And then you're gonna go ahead and install the ROM file. For me, it's a Resurrection Remix. All right. And when that is done, we're gonna go ahead and install G apps. Now, before rebooting, we're gonna do one more step, which is wiping again, just wiping the data. And I found out this fixes 99% of problems. With certain ROMs, you'll have problems like this. Normally, you wouldn't do this for Lollipop ROMs, but for some reason, for Marshmallow ROMs, you have to wipe data after you install G apps. So I'm going to go ahead and install the Banks Dynamic G apps. All right, I'll have a link to the G apps I'm using here. And this works on all of the different Marshmallow ROMs. And this way, it's a little bit, Marshmallow itself is just a little bit of a different animal. Next, you're gonna go to wipe, and you're gonna do factory reset. All right, this will wipe your data and cache. And what this does, it only wipes your data, and for some reason that makes the Marshmallow ROMs boot flawless. So I'll be back when this is done. All right, and I'll show you that my ROM will boot without any errors. So I'll be back when this is completely booted. This process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Marshmallow ROMs take forever, so just leave it alone, and we'll be back in about 10 minutes. All right, I got it booted. It looks a little funky. I don't know, this ROM is a little funky when you first boot it, but you can see I'm not getting any errors. And let me just go ahead and walk through this. And you will see that I have Play Store and everything working fine. The display, this will be fixed once I reboot. But you can see, let me go ahead and reboot. So this is the flawless method of installing Marshmallow. And like I said, it is somewhat caused by the Marshmallow system. So if you wipe data after you install G apps, it actually works fine and also allows you to keep your Play Store. So if you've been getting any errors while installing your new Marshmallow ROM, this should help you fix it. And this will work on any kind of Android device if you're having trouble. But let me go ahead and wait for this to come back up to show you that it's fully working. All right, and also one more note of tip is make sure you sign in and go ahead and update the Google app on the Google Play Store. So go ahead and update Google app on the Google Play Store. That will also update you with all the Google stuff on the latest, so you won't get any errors with certain apps. So that's pretty much it. As always, wait. Let's wait till this boots up. All right, there you go. I've got it booted here. So update your Google after you install, and also Google Play Store will update to the latest version. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Asking for super user request. That's pretty much it. Now you should be able to install Marshmallow ROMs flawless. Just that one tip. Basically, do a data wipe, regular wipe after installing ROM and GApps. Anyway, as always, stay on Android.